Hello everyone, welcome to Devisi. Today we will be learning about operators and decision making. Let's begin with operators. The operator is used to uh, like to do some mathematical problems or to do some logical decisions. We use operators. So I'll introduce you to the all the operators. There are mainly three types of operators. One is arithmetic operators, and one is relational operators, and one is logical operators. In arithmetic operators, we have this addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulus, increment operator, and decrement operator. So what this addition operator plus sign does actually it is a plus b will give you, it will add those both operands and give you the answer. And the same way minus or subtraction do the same thing, it minus with the two operators and gives you the answer. Same way the division, a will be divided by b and in multiplication this will get multiplied and give you the answer. In the modulus what happens is uh, the remainder, it actually divides this and the remainder will be given as the answer. And in increment operator, for example, if I give a equal to 10 and in the next line if I give a plus plus, it get incremented by 1, so the and value of a will be 11. And the same way decrement operator, if I give a equal to 10 and if I give a minus minus, so the value of a will become 9. So this is all about the arithmetic operators. It is easy, right? Now let's see what is relational operators. Here I am assigning a value a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. These are some relational operators. Equal to, not equal to. This exclamatory mark is called as not equal to. It is not and equal to. This is greater than symbol and this is lesser than symbol. Greater than equal to or less than equal to. So what actually this does is, I am giving you with an example. Equal to means it checks if the value of a is equal to value of b. And in programming, if we give a equal to b, this will be noted as assignment, where the value of b will get stored in the value of in the place of a. So to check if whether the both values are equal, we give it as a equal to b, so that the compiler checks if the value of a is equal to value of b. So the same way I am given a as 20 and b as 20. So a equal to b is false, obviously. Not equal to, if instead of this equal to I write not equal to, that means if a not equal to b, yeah, it is not equal to b. So a is 10 and b is 20, it is not equal to a. 10 is not equal to 20, so it's true. Greater than simple, if a is greater than b, no, it is not greater than b, so it's false. And the same thing, less than, a less than b, it is true. Greater than equal to or less than equal to, here if it will take here in this greater than and less than, if the value of a is 20 and the value of b is 20 and you give this a greater than b, it will give you false, and if you give a less than b, it will give you false. And here if a is greater than or equal to b, b is 20 and a is 20, if a is greater than or equal to b, so if this both are same numbers also, it will take it as true. And here if a is less than or equal to b, it is equal to b, so it will take any of this, if it is equal to or if it is less than. If in any of this case, it will take it as true, and the other thing it will take it as false. These are about the relational operators. And the last operators is logical operators. Ampersand, or, and not. This is called as logical and, this is logical or, and this is logical not. So basically what this does is, imagine you have two statements, take it as this both, this is false and true. you want to compare this both. There comes a situation you want to check if any of this is true, or if this both condition is true, then I want to go get into some block of code. So you use this logical AND operator. I have given the example a less than b. We have a as we'll take it a as 10 itself. A is 10 and b is 20. A is less than 20, this is true, and again and b greater than a. Yeah, b is greater than a, this is also true, so this true. If any of this condition is false, then here also it will be false. In the OR, we check any of the one should be true. Either this part should be true or this part should be true, so it gives you the true. A less than b, a is less than b, yeah, it is true. B is less than a, b is not less than a, here it comes false. Still we get the true. That is because of OR operators. Any one, if it is true, you get the answer as true. And the NOT operator, a less than b, you have a less than b is true here, a is less than b. If you use this, the answer, if it is true, it convert it into false, and if it is false, it's get back into true. This is done by NOT operator, logical NOT. So these are the basic of operators. We will do a program with decision making and understand what is decision making, and we will be using this all the operators to understand it better there. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you.